Hello everybody, welcome back once again to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. In today's video, my son and I are going to be going out and collecting a bunch of various worms from around our yard here to put into our brand new compost bin that we made. Now I was going to order worms online, but then I realized maybe it'd be cool to show you guys that you can go out in your own yard and collect the native worms that are living there and also use them for composting purposes. Now there's going to be a wide variety of worms that you're getting this way, and while they may not be as efficient as red wigglers would be for composting, they're definitely going to establish a colony inside that compost bin.
Greenhouse?
Yeah, we're in the greenhouse.
What? We're in?
Yep.
Oh, is this a greenhouse?
Yeah.
Oh.
And they're going to be a great way to start out your compost bin. And I've also heard of multiple gardeners that only use these types of worms for many, many years, and their compost bins do just fine. So just in case you guys are not able to go out and buy your own worms, you can go and get them in your backyard. So should we go worm hunting?
Yeah.
Let's go. Buddy.
We're going worm hunting.
Hey, what are we gonna do?
For some worms.
All right.
Where?
There. Grab him. Get one?
Yeah.
Yeah, throw him in there. I got one too.
What's that thing?
It's a roly-poly.
Oh.
It's actually a crustacean.
We got roll over and be flush. Roll over.
All right, let's roll it over. See any?
Look! Get a worm.
Grab it.
No, dear bug.
All right, got another one. There's another one. You grab it. Whoa, hurry up, he's gonna get away. Hurry up. There. All right. Good job.
I just took a hole for where? What's this one?
All right. I think we've exhausted everything out of this location. Let's go find the next spot. We dug these patches of sod up from transplanting our blueberries. And so under here, there's a bunch of them. They're kind of eating all that decomposing grass. Oh, there we go. Good job. All right, there's our bin. And there's slugs in here, some more centipedes, the little roly-polies.
Hey, wait,
Oh, there's a big one. There you go.
what's this one doing?
He's wiggling, huh?
Here go. The flower. Where's another one? I got. There, we can find. Yeah. I ate the worm hunting.
Me too.
Wow. Go worm hunting. And go with flower. One,
We hit the mother load.
2, 3.
Whoa.
Here. Go.
Uh-oh. There's no worms. There's just, what are those?
Ants.
Okay. How many?
I threw you my draw muscles. You have draw muscles.
You can do it. You're strong enough. Yeah.
Hey, there are ants.
Ants again?
Yeah, 1, 2.
Okay. Guess we'll move on to the next spot. Here, put it in here.
Oh.
Well, in the end, it turned out we have the most worms in our garden bed after all. Right here. See, a bunch of worms right there.
Come on.
Oh, I see a bunch all over here.
Here, get it.
There's another one. The reason why we have so many worms just feeding on this organic matter is because we basically just took all of our old vegetable plants from last year and just laid them over the surface of this garden bed. So there is a ton of food for these worms to eat in here. Hey, should we take all those worms and put them by their food?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We've got our worm composting bin. If you guys didn't see how we made this, I'll have the link in the description below. We're gonna dump in a bunch of today's food scraps that we've got from the house. We've got all these worms that we collected today that we're gonna throw in there to start this whole process here. Look at them all. Wow. All right. On there. Wow. All right. There's so many in there. They're gonna love it. They're gonna go down and eat all the food. Well, thank you guys all so much for watching. We've got all the worms in there. They're gonna start composting all of our kitchen scraps for us, producing that nice worm compost tea, that black gold that we all need, and I'm so excited to start amending this stuff into our gardens. I will be documenting to see how these native worms do in this container, and also along the line I will be purchasing some red wigglers, but I really wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys and tell you guys that you can use your own native worms from your backyard for starting out the compost bin. Well, thank you guys all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.